Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Tamika, and today we're gonna go on a house tour. This is my first time living in this type of home. It is on-base housing. I'm currently at Yokota Air Force Base. I am put up in a 3-bedroom garden unit, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So if you like to see this type of content, make sure you like this video, share. If you know somebody who's coming to Yakota, they might wanna know what possible living situations might be like. I'm your girl, at least with this video. But let's see, you guys saw my last video where I did my house tour for Japan when I was moving in. So this is totally different than what I've had before, but let's see if it's better or not, shall we? This is the outside. My name will be there. Upstairs, downstairs, it's like a multi-unit fourplex. So this is the inside door. They give you like 2 doors, like a screen door that you can lock. From that door, you get 2 parking spaces where you first come in. To the left is the kitchen. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. Nothing fancy at all, as you can see. It's a little outdated. But it has all the things that you need. Dishwasher, double sink, oven, stove, plenty of cabinet space. You got, they didn't take me back to the white fridge days. Got a white fridge, but you know, it's clean. Looks like it has all the things. That's another little area, more cabinet space. There's lots of storage, so we like that. So yeah, we have storage space. I do not like that the washer and dryer are in the kitchen, because who lives in the kitchen? Who changes clothes and wants to have their clothes in the kitchen? But it is a big washer and dryer. It smells old though. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna have to like clean that out and put some like the, woo, that smells old. I'm gonna open this for a minute, put the air out. See how they would try to look. Anyways, I'll do that later off camera. It's behind this door, washer and dryer in the kitchen, right next to the refrigerator. This is the living space. Empty living room, not too bad. We have outdoor space. I'm not gonna go all the way out there. That's our little shed for extra storage. That's another little shed for extra storage. They have a fence, so now I want a fence. I'm gonna ask about a fence. They have the little booby lights. Storage under the stairs. That's where Harry Potter lived, right? What's this? More storage when you first walk in. There's the door. Half bath. Toilet. Sink. Pretty old but clean. That's how I'll. We might switch these out. We'll see. And then it has the stairs. Very industrial looking stairs. Looks like the stairs at my job. I'm having a baby, and this is going to be interesting navigating with the child, because she will be here the first couple years of her life. So gotta baby proof the stairs. When you walk in, There's a linen closet to your left, upstairs. Nice. Straight ahead is a bathroom. To your right, there's more closet space, which is nice. Because I'll probably need all the closet space. Another bathroom upstairs, full bath. Oh, we'll probably try to maybe, I don't even know if we can at least change the shower head. How does this work? And I gotta get a shower curtain. Not too bad, it works. Mirror, storage behind it. Oh, storage below it. Super low to the ground. Tiny toilet. Clean. Close the door. Nice little hook. Lights. That one just stays on. It's cool. Another little storage area. Oops. All right. This is the master. Kind of small for a master, I'm not gonna lie. My current bedroom in my house on the economy in Japan is bigger, I believe. Me and my husband have to share this, or you know what? Or not. This is gonna be my closet. And his stuff can go in the other closet. All my bags and shoes and stuff can go up there. But it's a deep closet, so that's nice. I can actually probably put the dressers in here, maybe. We'll see. But this is the bedroom. Not too wide. Probably can only fit a queen size comfortably. It does have its own bath. Master bathroom. Shelves and drawers. Nail storage. It has this old style looking. I'm gonna have to clean all of this. Cabinets. This will mostly be my bathroom, my things. We have a stand-up shower in here only. Might try to change that out again, but old for sure. I'll clean this out. Let's see what else we got. Second bedroom, it's probably gonna be for our baby. The nursery. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm just gonna walk from my room to this room, baby room. And this will be our office / entertainment area. We got a couch that we don't like that we'll put in here. I'll probably put my desk on that side and the couch on this side and whatever else in here, just to be a multi-purpose room. But yeah, this is it. This is about to be my life for like the next couple of years. Base housing. I'm gonna decorate the heck out of this house, y'all. Like, we gonna make it a home, okay? It's gonna be nice, regardless. I can hear my echo and everything like that right now. It's just nothing in the house, but this is our new space where she will be brought into this world. So I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be posting more. I promise I'll be posting more, but thanks for you guys for support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.